cool stuff.
Prepare to be amazed as we uncover hidden gems in the world of technology. Today on Tech Code TV, we're delving into the realm of cool gadgets you didn't know about. From ingenious devices to futuristic tools, these gadgets are pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Join us as we shine a spotlight on the latest innovations that have flown under the radar. From quirky gadgets to game-changing tools, these inventions are sure to surprise and delight. The BeneHeart DX system has earned second place in the Design Innovation Awards, and for good reason. This modular defibrillator monitor is a game changer in emergency situations. What sets it apart is its ability to be detached and handed over to hospital doctors treating victims, enhancing continuity of care. Equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, the BeneHeart DX can seamlessly send vital data to medical professionals. This versatile system includes an infrared thermometer, HD camera, ultrasound scanner, and ECG machine, ensuring comprehensive monitoring and diagnosis in critical situations. Experience a new level of sleep quality with myWaves, a groundbreaking innovation by neuroscientist Alain Destex. This device, attached to the forehead, analyzes brain activity and generates music tracks tailored to your brainwaves. myWaves makes falling asleep easier and promotes deeper, more restorative sleep. By listening to brainwave-based music before bedtime, users report waking up feeling more refreshed and energized. Interested in improving your sleep? myWaves is available for around $59, offering a scientific approach to enhancing your rest. Samsung Electronics unveils the evolution of its robotic home assistant, Ballie, first showcased at CES in 2020. Now, after 4 years of refinement, Ballie returns with groundbreaking enhancements. This versatile companion now features a built-in projector and advanced artificial intelligence algorithms, elevating its capabilities to new heights. Ballie is not just a robot, it's your pet entertainer, secretary, and fitness assistant rolled into one. Seamlessly integrating into smart homes, Ballie can handle various tasks, from opening curtains to controlling robot vacuums with ease. While details about its availability and pricing remain undisclosed, the promise of Ballie's features is undoubtedly exciting. Meet Rabbit R1, the device that's shaking up the market and earning titles like the smartphone and voice assistant killer. This innovative gadget boasts voice control for all your gadgets, taking convenience to the next level with its built-in AI algorithms. From calling cabs to suggesting recipes based on fridge contents, Rabbit R1 simplifies everyday tasks effortlessly. Available for pre-order at $200. With delivery expected this March, Rabbit R1 is set to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Combat leg pain and fatigue with Spryng, the ultimate solution for muscle recovery and enhanced blood circulation. This compact system, equipped with innovative matic compression technology, offers relief for active individuals of all ages. Just 15 minutes a day with Spryng can make a noticeable difference, whether you are at the office or outdoors. With a battery life of 2.5 hours and machine washable design, Spryng ensures convenience and effectiveness. Elevate your training regimen with Spryng, available for $189. Introducing the Red Dawg Baby Texan Nozzle, the ultimate tool for cleaning regular and storm sewers with ease. Designed for both beginners and pros, this nozzle eliminates the need for complicated preparations. Simply attach it to the hose or pipe, and you're ready to go. Capable of handling heavy debris, household waste, and lubricants effectively, the Red Dawg Baby Texan Nozzle is a versatile solution for sewer cleaning. Some versions can deliver up to 109 liters of water per minute, making it ideal for cleaning pipes up to 61 centimeters in diameter. LG's new TV innovation has captured the attention of millions, with a YouTube video garnering a staggering 17 million views. This groundbreaking product is the world's first transparent and wireless 4K model, setting a new standard in home entertainment. Addressing concerns about embracing such innovations, LG offers a clever solution. A panel slides out from behind with the press of a button, transforming the TV into a more conventional one. While details about pricing are yet to be disclosed, LG plans to release these TVs widely in the second half of the year. Keep an eye out for the future of television with LG Transparent OLED. Mirror on the wall, who's the fairest and healthiest of them all. With Anura MagicMirror, this fairy tale becomes a reality. This groundbreaking smart mirror examines your facial blood flow information, offering insights beyond traditional health metrics like blood pressure, BMI, and pulse. In just 30 seconds, Anura MagicMirror reveals potential risks for various conditions, from liver problems to hypertension. Its relevance extends even to hospitals, offering quick and efficient health analysis. While the release date and price remain undisclosed, anticipate a revolution in personal health monitoring with Anura MagicMirror. Introducing the Philips Palm Recognition Smart Deadbolt, a cutting-edge addition to home security. Leveraging biometric technology previously seen in smartphones like the LG G8, this Deadbolt grants access by reading the unique vein pattern on your palm. With the ability to store up to 50 patterns and additional options for PIN code and smartphone access, Philips Palm Recognition Smart Deadbolt offers unparalleled security and convenience. Priced at $360 and set to hit the market in the first half of the CHRONUS. Elevate your home security with this innovative solution. Experience the future of wheelchairs with CHRONUS Robotics KIM-E. This self-balancing mobile robot offers unparalleled comfort and maneuverability, lifting the seated person for easier communication. Operating like a hoverboard, KIM-E responds to movements of the upper body, covering distances of up to 30 km at speeds of 20 km per hour on a single charge. While the release date and price are yet to be announced, anticipate a revolution in mobility with CHRONUS Robotics KIM-E. SkyTED offers a high-tech solution for noisy environments with its innovative mask. Developed by experts from Airbus, the European Space Agency, and Anura Aerospace Lab, this mask effectively filters out external noise, ensuring clear communication. Equipped with a built-in microphone and Bluetooth connectivity, SkyTED allows for seamless phone calls even in bustling environments. With 10 hours of communication on a full charge, this mask is available for $250 on Kickstarter. Revolutionize your communication experience with SkyTED. As we wrap up our journey through the world of cool gadgets, it's evident that innovation knows no bounds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to introduce your friends to these incredible inventions. Stay tuned to TechCode TV for more fascinating tech discoveries.